Hey guys, I'm Hunter Thompson here at Campers Inn in Ocala, Florida. We're going to check out the Grand Design Reflection 150 series today. It's a really cool vehicle. It is a half-ton towable vehicle. We're going to check out some of those features and specs. Alright, we're going to check out the storage bay, which has a lot of thickness right here. This is our slam latch door, which has a magnet holder. It's very well insulated, and while we're speaking about insulation, it is an enclosed underbelly which has circulating heat to the storage bay, but you also have 12-volt heating pads on your heating tanks as well, so it's fully ready for winter. All right, so if you want to look right here through the pass-through storage, it is a nice pass-through storage, and this is your Nautilus water management system. It's a really cool system. You do have all your hookups for city water, your gray tank, your black tank. You have about 78 gallons of gray tank right here. You have about 39 gallons of black tank. You can use it for a long period of time before you have to drain it. It's really cool. So if you look right here, it has your dry camping, it has your city water, your winterized, all right here in one connection. You also have your water pump for hot water, cold water for your outside shower. If you want to look right here, we do have our compass control, which is our TPMS, and our auto leveling. And you can all do it from right here. You can do it from your phone. You can stand back and watch yourself do it. You can do it from right here. You can also do it from up here as well, on the front side of it. I did want to show you guys the new Furrion tankless water heater. It is LP only. It's new to the Reflections. It warms up quickly, and it's a quick recovery. All right, let's move up to the pin box. So this is a 90 radius pin box. It is short bed friendly. It's very cool. You don't need an auto slider, all those loud banging noises. This is set up for a short bed truck, which is a 5.5 foot bed truck. You make a lot sharper turns. You do have a nice LED strip right here. When you're backing up, you can see everything. It's a really nice fixture to have. All right, so you do have your motion sensor lights. You can set it to motion sensor, cut it off, cut it on, however you need to do. You do have two 110 plugs right here if you need to do some outside cleaning. You see right here is your on and off switch for your battery, your quick connect. Up under here will be your LP quick connect to your propane tanks, which are 30-gallon propane tanks, so you can do some outside grilling, outside cooking. We do have the aluminum steps right here that have these solid stamps. Just disconnect them, they go straight down. Personally, it's a little bit better to me than these step aboves, because when you do fold those up inside, dirt will fall down. These will just fold straight up underneath, and you do have a nice blue lighting up under here that reflects light at night. You do have two awnings, which is forced on the 295 RL only. LED strips up under both. You do have your two speakers outside that play inside and outside. If you look right here, you are equipped with TowerLink, which is awesome. It's a Bluetooth that sets up inside the camper up on your storage bay. It's a Bluetooth that connects from your Goodyear tires, which are E-tires, to your inside of your truck on your phone. You have a nice warranty on these. It is a 521. It is a 5-year warranty, 2-year roadside assistance, 12 months, no questions asked. If you look right here, we do have our roof ladder, which is factory installed. You do have your LED lights all around with your Furrion backup camera prep. Speak about the roof a little bit. It is rated for 4,500 pounds. You do have roof attic vents so the attic can breathe. You will have solar prep on top currently. They are moving to a 165 watt solar panel here in the near future with a 12-volt fridge, and we'll talk about that here in a minute. So we do have a 2-inch receiver hitch, which is good for 300 pounds or 3,000 pounds towing capacity if you want to carry a boat with you. You do need to check with your state regulations to make sure that that is legal in that state. So now we're inside the 295 RL Reflection 150 series. I'm going to show you a little bit around here and show you some of the cool features inside. Right here we do have our dinette, which also can be a freestanding dinette. However, I do like this part, which is our storage ottoman. It can move. So it's not stationary. Put it out here, prop your feet up, put one chair on the other side, but if it's just two of you. So with this roller shade, it does have the two nice side pieces that match the top piece. So it doesn't shake around too much while you're walking around in here, but you won't feel much shaking at all because you do have the auto leveling system that is down. However, if you look around, you do see a whole lot of windows because, like I said, this is a rear living camper. So you have lots of windows. You see all views where you're camping at. If you look right here, we do have our wall hugger heater seats. You do have lights, you do have heat massage, which are all very nice features. You keep back and relax. It does relax very far back. If you want to take a nap in, you could. If you look right here, we have lots of storage in this camper. Not just reflection, all Grand Design units. They make sure they have lots of storage for all of their campers. And if you see right here, the hinges are on the inside. They're like that everywhere, so you do not see any hinges anywhere. You can see all the storage that the reflection has, overhead storage. This will be a tri-fold sofa. It does extend out to about 6 foot. Very nice if you do have company to have somewhere to relax and sleep if necessary. Right here we have our gray stone fireplace, which has a variety of different colors. You can change it to any color you would like. We do have our 40-inch TCL Roku TV Smart TV. So if you want to, you can get a Wi-Fi router. It is prepped for Wi-Fi. You just have to get the router, and you can get that from WineGuard or your cellular service. Right here is our radio player that plays inside and outside. You do have speakers on top of the roof. More storage. You do have 80% tint glass outside and inside. You will have plugs inside here if you want to add like a DVD player of some sort. If you look right here, is your food pantry cabinet. It does have a motion sensor light in here as well. Lots of places to store food or whatever you need to store in here. This is a nice island in the 295 reflection. You will have your sprayer that disconnects. It is a high-rise faucet with a stainless steel sink. I'm a big fan of this right here. If you're gonna draw off some dishes, you can. If you're gonna roll it back, you're not using it at all. Like I said, you do have lots of storage in here. You will see storage everywhere. You need to store canned goods, you need to store your utensils, trash can, all that can fit in this area. So we do have the 3-burner stove. You do have the Furrion residential microwave, which is a nice feature to have. Using these smaller campers, you'll have a smaller microwave, which is the bigger one. The oven is pretty decent size. Usually, like I said, you will have smaller ones in the smaller campers, but in this 150 series, you will have the bigger appliances. You will have the 8 cubic fridge. That is a 3-way. It has the nice wood-looking panels on the outside to match the interior of this unit. We do have the buffet table right here, which is really nice. You do have lights up under here that can shine right down here if you want to use it as a coffee section or set up your fruit pictures. Really nice. And you do have lots of storage over here. I really like the MagSafe fan in this location. You do have your 3-burner top where when you're cooking, it does blow straight out. It takes that heat right out. It is a rain sensor. It is on the wall. So the 295 reflection, it is a 50 amp. You do have your one AC in here, which is a 15 BTU. You can add the second AC as an option, and that will be a 13.5 BTU in the bedroom. All right, we're gonna move to the bathroom in this RV. You see it has a nice pocket door right here. You're not folding it out, blocking the hallway from anything, which is very nice. It does have a porcelain toilet. So it's a real field toilet. It's not one of those plastic toilets that you see on some of these other units. It has a 30 by 36 shower. Plenty enough if you're gonna come this way. I'm 5'9", you see there's plenty of headroom. You do have this nice skylight right here. Gives you plenty of room. You do have some nice stuff over here that you can put your shampoo, your conditioner, whatever you use when you're in the shower. Gives you plenty of options. All right, so you do have a medicine cabinet on each side. Like I said, it gives you more storage. Like I said, Grand Design's all about their storage. So you have your 2 medicine cabinets on each side. You also will have your gas water heater right here, and I'm going to show you that in just a second. So you do have your 13.5 BTU AC in here, so it just stays nice and cool in here. You do have your farmhouse door that slides back and forth. Like I said, it's not the swinging door to block anything. You do have lots of storage up top. They're very deep, so you can store blankets, pillows. You do have some storage on each side as well. You do have a couple plug-ins up here and on each side. So you got plenty of plug-ins when you're sleeping. You do have a decent amount of storage under your bed as well. One thing I didn't talk about was what Grand Design does with their furnace. All their heat ducts are in the wall instead of the floor. And it is a 35K BTU furnace. You do have a closet right here with a few drawers. It is another sensor light like you will have in some of your cabinets. You have a place to hang up some of your clothes as well. And what I like about the reflection, you do have a big window on this side, a pretty decent sized window on this side, so you're not claustrophobic in this room. So this is a queen size 60 by 80 bed. It's your residential queen size bed, and you do have nice storage under this bed as well. Store chairs or suitcases. You have enough room up here to store whatever you need to store. Hey guys, so we were checking out the 295 RO Reflection 150 series, which is the half-ton towable vehicle. Thank you for checking out the video today. I'm Hunter at Campers Inn. If you want to check out the website, need more questions, give me a shout. See ya.